Hello my dear students, in this video we will learn about the causes of increasing unemployment in India. Means what are the main causes due to that the unemployment is continuously in our country. So first, that is the population explosion. Okay, so population explosion means what? The population is growing at a very faster rate. That is known as population explosion. So a high rate of population growth in India is responsible for the problem of unemployment in our country. In other words, we can say a high growth rate of population keeps adding more and more people nearly every years. Okay, due to that, our existing labor force are seeking the job opportunities. In a simple word, we can say increase in population is at a faster rate than the increase in number of job opportunities, and that is known as population explosion, and due to that unemployment is continuously increasing in our country. Second is the low rate of economic development. Okay, so Indian economy as expected, and it is also assumed that the new employment opportunities have been generated, but still these are not adequate to absorb the available workforce which is unemployed. So we can say the actual growth rate of economy is always lesser than the targeted growth rate, and as a result unemployment tends to increase or tends to continuously rising. So low rate of economic growth, what it indicates, that the planned economical growth is very high, but the actual growth rate is very low. So in this situation, the growing population is unable to absorb and the unemployment continuously increase. Next is the low level of development in agriculture. So as we know that our country is based on agriculture. Till date, nearly 68% people are engaged in agriculture. However, the agricultural output is very low. Its contribution in the GDP is also very low. So the growing population is unable to adjust themselves in the agricultural sectors. Even in our agriculture, old method of cultivation is being utilized. Lack of irrigational facilities, the farmers are dependent on rainfall. This disguised unemployment is also present. People are not aware, and due to that the unemployment in agricultural sector is growing at a faster rate. We can also say that as total area of land is fixed, a scope of generating more employment opportunities from the primary sector is limited. Okay, so in this situation what will happen? In this situation, if the population will grow, we will not cope up all the growing population to engage themselves in the agricultural areas, and the unemployment continuously generates, and it has become more severe. Now come to the low level of industrial development. Okay, so increase in population and migration of workers from the rural areas to urban areas adds more to the problem of unemployment in the industrial sector. So most of the existing industrial units are shifting to capital intensive method in place of labor intensive method. Okay, as a result, the workers or the people who migrates from the village areas, they are unemployed, and it indicates that a number of small and cottage industries have already declined due to lack of finance, or due to the development of modern technology or industries. So artisans who are skilled in the products, they have also become unemployed, and in this way we can say low level of industrial development. Now come to the lack of vocational and technical education. Okay, so due to increase in education, educational and institutional facilities, number of peoples are being educated, okay, but they are not getting the technical knowledge, they are getting only the degrees, and as a result uh, they are unemployed. So in a simple word we can say uh, degree oriented nature is different from the job oriented nature of education, which is required to get employment opportunities. So our educational system is totally failed to provide the vocational and technical education, and as a result the unemployment is growing at a very faster rate. Now come to the low level of capital formation. So what is capital formation? Capital formation means the saving, and the saving depends on the increase in income. So there is lack of investment in the country. If there is low saving, it means low capital formation, it means the investment is very low in the country. So increase in investment is important to utilize the resources in a better way. If we want to increase the investment, we should develop our infrastructure so that the more foreign investment may be done in our country, and this problem can be solved. But low level of capital formation is the reason of low investment. Lack of capital formation finds its basic finds its base of what? Base in low level of income generations. Okay, so as previously told you that the low level of income generation indicates the low level of capital formation. So in this way we find that a vicious cycle creates in our economy. So vicious cycle means what? Low level of income, low level of saving, low investment, low capital formation, low output, and low job creations, and in this way the unemployment continuously increase. So it happens due to low level of capital formation. Now come to the immobility of labor. Immobility means labor means what? The laborers are not interested to migrate from one place to another place. So there is low level of mobility of labor in India. As a result, the job market is unable to provide the job opportunities. But a question arises, why the peoples are not ready to mobilize from one place to another place? So here we find that some of the families face the problem of language, some of the families face the problem of religions, and language, religions, living of a standard, their thinking makes a circumstance in which they are not interested to migrate from one place to another place. As a result, what will happen? The job opportunity will not be created on that particular place, and the people face the problem of unemployment. Clear? Now come to the joint family system. So joint family system is also present in our country, basically in the rural areas. So what will happen? In large families, many family members depends on the joint income of the family. As a result, even though if they are not engaged in any economic activities, however they are fulfill their basic needs, and it creates the problem of disguised unemployment. So joint family system creates the problem of disguised unemployment. So these are the basic main causes of unemployment. Except these causes, you will find more causes in different books, but I have taken only 8 points. Now, if the unemployment is increasing in our country with a rapid speed, so what will be the effect of unemployment in our economy? So here the effect of unemployment is divided into two parts. One is the economic effect and other is the social effect. So in economic effects means which directly affects the economy. So how it can affect the economy? So what will happen? So if the unemployment will increase, first we can say the production will fall and the income of the people will also fall. Second, if the production increase falls, it means the further investment is not possible, and if the income falls, their saving will also starts to decline or low level of saving. And low level of saving indicates low capital formation, so further investment is not possible and the poverty will generate in our economy. So if we move towards the social effect, what we find, our living of a standard will starts to decline, so low level of a standard of living, social unrest will create, inequalities will also create in the society, rich will become more richer and the poor will become more poorer. So in this way, social unrest means what? The illegal activities will increase, such as theft, dacoity, murder, snatching, etc. So all these things creates due to increase in unemployment. Clear? So I hope you are able to understand the causes of increasing unemployment in India and effects of unemployment in the economy or in the society. Okay? Thank you. In the next video, I will discuss about the suggestion to solve the problem of unemployment, how we can solve these problems. Okay?